If you're an animal lover, you need to know what's happening in Morocco. Morocco, set to co-host the 2030 FIFA World Cup with Spain and Portugal, has announced a controversial plan to cull up to 3 million stray dogs. This initiative aims to enhance the city's appeal for the upcoming event, but it has sparked significant backlash. Animal welfare organizations and activists worldwide are outraged by the decision. They argue that humane alternatives such as sterilization and adoption programs should be prioritized over culling. Supporters of the cull, however, insist it's a necessary measure to address public safety concerns and to present a cleaner image for the